In this video, we'll cover 8 common drone LiDAR requirements for utility applications. When deploying drone LiDAR systems for utility applications, there are several key requirements to ensure accurate, efficient, and safe data collection. These include, number 1, high-resolution data. Utility applications often demand high-resolution and accurate data for effective decision-making. The LiDAR system should be capable of capturing high-density point clouds with a sufficient number of points per square meter to meet the specific needs of the utility application. Number 2, accurate georeferencing. To ensure that the LiDAR data accurately represents the real-world environment, it must be properly georeferenced. This requires integration with global navigation satellite systems, GNSS, and inertial measurement units, IMU, for precise positioning and orientation information. Number 3, range and coverage. The LiDAR system should have an appropriate range and coverage capacity to meet the utility's requirements. This can vary depending on the specific application, such as power line inspection, vegetation management, or pipeline monitoring. Longer-range LiDAR systems can cover greater distances and capture data from hard-to-reach areas, reducing the need for multiple flights. Number 4, flight endurance. To maximize efficiency, the drone should have sufficient flight endurance to complete the required missions. This may require a drone with longer battery life, or in some cases, a hybrid system that combines battery power with fuel for extended flight times. Number 5, stability and reliability. The drone and its LiDAR system should be capable of stable flight in various weather conditions and challenging environments, such as high winds, extreme temperatures, and near high-voltage infrastructure. The drone and its components should be robust, durable, and reliable to minimize the risk of failure during critical missions. Number 6, data processing capabilities. Fast and efficient data processing is essential for utilities to quickly analyze and act on the information collected. The drone LiDAR system should be compatible with industry-standard software for data processing, analysis, and visualization. In some cases, real-time or near real-time data processing can be beneficial for rapid decision-making. Number 7, regulatory compliance. Drone operations and utilities should comply with local regulations, including airspace restrictions, altitude limits, and other safety requirements. Operators should obtain necessary permits and follow best practices to ensure safe and compliant drone operations. And number 8, operator training and expertise. To maximize the effectiveness of drone LiDAR systems in utility applications, operators should be well-trained and experienced in drone piloting, LiDAR data collection, and data processing. This ensures accurate and reliable results, minimizing the risk of costly errors or omissions. By meeting these requirements, utilities can effectively deploy drone LiDAR technology to improve the inspection, maintenance, and management of their infrastructure. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website at phoenixlidar.com or contact our team of experts to learn more about drone LiDAR requirements in utilities. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.